Hello, my dear viewers. I am अंकुश कुमार विश्वकर्मा। अंकुश IAS अकेडमी में आप सभी प्यारे साथियों का हार्दिक स्वागत है। आज हम लोग क्लास 6 हिस्ट्री को अध्ययन करेंगे और समझेंगे कि जो प्राइमरी स्कूल में जो NCERT का बुक है वह मुख्य रूप से क्या क्या हमें बताने का कोशिश करती है और यह सिविल सर्विस के एग्ज़ाम में किस प्रकार से लाभदायक है, इसको हम लोग समझने का कोशिश करेंगे। आवर पार्ट्स 1 टेक्स्ट बुक इन हिस्ट्री फॉर क्लास 6। तो यहाँ पर NCERT यानी कि NCERT का बुक है, यानी इसका हिंदी में जो बोलते हैं राष्ट्रीय शैक्षणिक अनुसंधान और प्रशिक्षण परिषद, और इंग्लिश में इसको बोलते हैं नेशनल काउंसिल ऑफ एजुकेशनल रिसर्च एंड ट्रेनिंग। और यह ओल्ड एडिशन है जो UPSC, BPSC, UPPCS, झारखंड PCS एंड राजस्थान PCS, ये सभी PCS एंड UPSC एग्ज़ाम के लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण हिस्ट्री सब्जेक्ट मानी जाती है। NCERT यानी ओल्ड NCERT का जो ये सब्जेक्ट है, इसको बेहतरीन ढंग से समझना अनिवार्य है। तो आज हम लोग इसको अध्ययन करेंगे। तो इसमें आप देख सकते हैं कि इसमें कब कब यानी कि बुक का क्या है कि एडिशन हुआ है यानी छपा है, वो सारी चीज़ में दी गई है। तो आप लोग एक बार इसको देख सकते हैं ध्यानपूर्वक कि जो बोल रहा है कि यहाँ पर पहली बार जो है कब हुआ, लास्ट बार कब हुआ और कब कब इसमें संशोधन की गई है, ये सारे चीज़ में उपलब्ध है। और ये जो हम लोग पढ़ेंगे 2017 में यानी कि लास्ट एडिशन जो हुआ था उसका पढ़ेंगे, क्योंकि ये पढ़ना ज़रूरी है ओल्ड एडिशन, क्योंकि न्यू एडिशन में कुछ चेंजेज आई है। और चेंजेज होने के कारण एग्ज़ाम में प्रश्न क्या है कि हो सकता है तो ट्रेडिशनल यानी कि जो हो, मतलब कि ओल्ड यानी कि एडिशन से हो, तो इसको ध्यान में रखना है। और चलते हैं फिर हम लोग डायरेक्ट क्या है कि कंटेंट पर, यानी कि चैप्टर के क्या है कि जो हम लोग देखेंगे और फिर आगे हम लोग बढ़ेंगे। अब वो फिर बोल रहा है कि टेक्स्ट बुक डेवलपमेंट यानी कि कमेटी के बारे में। कमेटी जो है इसमें जो बुक का क्या है कि जो उसमें जो डालती है लिख करके, और उसमें क्या क्या होना चाहिए नहीं होना चाहिए, उस पर जो रिसर्च करती है वो सारे चीज़ का इसमें दिया गया है। ये सब हमारे एग्ज़ाम के व्यू से इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, जो इम्पोर्टेंट होंगे हम आगे बढ़ते हैं। और इसमें क्या है कि जो कुछ जो है और दिए गए हैं, आवर नेशनल एंथम दिए गए हैं। तो आवर नेशनल एंथम को हम लोग क्या है कि जो पढ़ेंगे और इसको शुरुआत करते हैं। तो यहाँ पर लिखा गया है जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे, भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा, द्रविड़ उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा, उछल जल्दी तरंगा, तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तब जय गाथा, जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे, भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे, जय हे, जय हे, जय हे, जय 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 हे। तो हम लोग ने नेशनल एंथम को देखा। फिर बोला है कि आवर नेशनल एंथम composed composed originally in Bangla by Rabindranath Tagore was adopted in its Hindi version by the Constituent Assembly as the National Anthem of India on 24 January 1950। तो ये बोल रहा है कि कब लागू हुआ है नेशनल एंथम, तो 24 जनवरी 1950 को लागू हुआ है। इसको हम लोग ध्यान में रखेंगे। फिर आगे बढ़ते हैं वाई स्टडी हिस्ट्री, यानी कि हमें क्यों पढ़ना चाहिए हिस्ट्री। और फिर आगे हम लोग बढ़ते हैं डायरेक्ट। अब हम लोग चैप्टर पर आएंगे। यहाँ पर कंटेंट्स दिया गया है, जो कौन कौन से चैप्टर हमें पढ़ना है। वाई स्टडी हिस्ट्री, ठीक है। और फॉरवर्ड यानी कि सब दिया गया है। ये सब क्या है कि ज़्यादा मायने नहीं रखता, लेकिन एग्ज़ाम के व्यू से हम लोग चैप्टर 1 से स्टार्ट करेंगे और इसको जानने का कोशिश करेंगे। फिर है फर्स्ट, यानी कि जो चैप्टर होंगे व्हाट, वेयर, हाउ एंड व्हेन, यानी कि व्हाट कब, कहाँ, कैसे, ठीक है। तो ये सब के बारे में जानेंगे, हिस्ट्री के बारे में, ठीक है। और फिर है दूसरा चैप्टर ऑन द ट्रायल ऑफ द ईयरलियर्स पीरियड, यानी कि जो यानी कि उस पीरियड में क्या चीज़ उपलब्ध थे, क्या उपस्थित पाए गए हैं, उसका कैसे यानी कि खोज, वो सारे चीज़ पढ़ेंगे। फ्रॉम गैथरिंग टू ग्रोइंग फूड, ठीक है, इसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे। फिर इन द अर्लिएस्ट सिटीज के बारे में, व्हाट बुक्स एंड बरियल्स टेल अस। फिर किंगडम्स, किंग्स एंड एन अर्ली रिपब्लिक, ये सारे चीज़ पढ़ेंगे हम लोग। अध्याय फिर 7 है न्यू क्वेश्चन एंड आइडियाज, अशोका द एम्पायर हु गैव यूपी वार, विटल विलेज, फिरविंग टाउन्स, टेडर किंग एंड पिलग्रिम्स, न्यू एम्पायर एंड किंगडम्स, वेल्डिंग, पेंटिंग एंड बुक्स। तो यहाँ पर 12 चैप्टर दिए गए हैं, हम लोग 1 चैप्टर करके पढ़ेंगे एंड दिस बुक के बारे में। फिर यहाँ पर डिफिनीशन, सोर्स, एडिशन, फिर बोला है कि एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन, एल्सवेयर, की वर्ड्स, सो इम्पोर्टेंट डेट्स, इमेजिन, लेट्स रिकॉल, लेट्स डिस्कस, लेट्स डू। तो हम लोग इसको देखेंगे। यू विल फाइंड दैट ए चैप्टर इज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाय ए यंग गर्ल्स or a by boys. A chapter is divided into sections. Read, discuss and understand each section before proceeding to the next. Some chapter contain definition. Many chapter contain a portion from a source clause from which historians write history. Read these carefully and discuss the question they contain. Many of our shows are visual. Each illustration has a story to tell. You will also find maps. Look at these and try to locate the palace mentioned in the lesson. Many chapters contain books with interesting additional information. All chapters end with a section titled elsewhere. This tells you about something that was happening in another part of the world. तो ये सारी चीज़ हम लोग देखेंगे और हम लोग डायरेक्ट अब चलेंगे चैप्टर पर। चैप्टर 1 व्हाट, वेयर, हाउ एंड व्हेन। रसीदा क्वेश्चन, यानी कि रसीदा जो है क्वेश्चन पूछती है। बोला है कि रसीदा सैट रीडिंग द न्यूज़पेपर, सडनली हर आइज फेल ऑन a small headline on 100 years ago. How she wondered Could anyone know what had happened so many years ago? तो ये क्वेश्चन पूछ रही है कि 100 साल पहले जो है यानी कि जो ये वस्तु है इसके बारे में या फिर कुछ भी यानी कि जो जानना चाहती है। ठीक है, कुछ यानी कि जो न्यूज़पेपर में यानी कि उन्होंने देखा सडनली यानी कि जस्ट यानी कि तुरंत। और फिर यहाँ पर बोल रहा है कि जो यानी पहले हाउस ही वंडर्ड यानी कि लोग पहले यानी कैसे देखा करते थे। ठीक है, उसके बाद फाइंडिंग आउट दैट हैप्पीनेस, फिर बोल रहा है कि yesterday you could listen to the radio, watch television, read a newspaper last year, ask somebody who remember, but what about long ago? Let us see how it can be done. What can we know about the past? There are several things we can find out that people at the kind of clothes they wear, the house in which they lived. We can find out about the life of hunters, herder, farmer, ruler, merchants, priest, craft person, artist, musician या हाँ ठीक है musician and scientist. We can also find out about the game children played, the story they heard, the play they saw, the song they sang. Where did people live? Find the river Narmada on map 1. Where two people have lived along the bank of this river for several hundred thousand years. Some of the earliest people who lived here were killed. Gatherer, that is people who gathered their food. They knew about the vast wealth of land in the surrounding forest and collected fruits and other forest produce for their food. They also hunted animals. How find the Suleiman and Kirthar hills to the northwest. Some of the areas where women and men first began to grow crop such as wheat and barley about 18,000 यानी कि ये 8,000 year ago are located here. People also began rearing animals like sheep, goat and cattle and live in village located the Garo hills to the north east and the Vindhyas in central India. These are some of the other areas where जैसा कि आप लोग मैप में देख सकते हैं फिजिकल मैप ऑफ सब कॉन्टिनेंट्स। यहाँ पर सुलेमान, काबुल सारे चीज़ में यानी कि दिए गए हैं। पहाड़ी के नाम, गंगा नदी, रिवर के बारे में भी दी गई है। और फिर यहाँ पर बे ऑफ बंगाल और इंडिया के मैप यानी ओशन के बारे में भी दिखाया, लक्षद्वीप है, ठीक है। फिर एग्रीकल्चर डेवलप्ड द पैलेस वेयर आइज वाज फर्स्ट ग्रोन आर टू द north of the Vindhyas, trace the river Indus and its tributaries are a smaller river that follow into a larger river about 4,700 years ago. Some of the earliest cities flowery sat on the bank of Beach River. Later, about 25 years ago, cities developed on the bank of the Ganga and its tributaries and along the sea coast. Look at the Ganga and its tributary called the Son. In ancient time, the area along this river to the south of the Ganga was now as Magadh, now lying in the state of Bihar. Its ruler were very powerful and set up a large kingdom. Kingdoms were set up in other parts of the country as well. Throughout, people traverse from one parts of the subcontinent to another. The hills and high mountains, including the Himalayas, deserts, rivers, and seas, made journey dangerous, at times about never impossible. So men and women moved in search of livelihood, as also to escape from natural disaster like flood or drought. Sometimes men march in arms, conquering other lands. Beside, merchants traveled with caravans or ships carrying valuable goods from palace to palace, and religious teachers worked from village to village, town to town, stopping to offer instruction and advice on the way. Finally, some people perhaps traveled dry once by a spirit of adventure, wanting to discover new and exciting places. All these led to the sharing of idea between people. Why do people travel nowadays? Travel nowadays. Look at map. I once more has mountain and seas from the natural frontier of the subcontinents. While it was difficult to cross this frontier, these who wanted could and did scale the mountain and cross the seas. People from across the frontier also came into the subcontinent and settled here. This movement of people enriched our cultural tradition. People have a new way of carving a stone, composing music, and even cooking food. Our over several hundreds of years. Name of the land. 2 of the words we often use for our country, our India and Bharat. The word India come from the Indus called Sindhu in Sanskrit. Find Iran and Greece in your titles. The Iranians and the Greeks who came through the northwest about 2500 years ago and were familiar with the Indus, calling it the Indus or the Indus, and the land to the east of the river was called India. The name Bharat was used for a group of people who lived in the northwest and who are mentioned in the Rig Veda. The earliest composition in Saraswati या Sanskrit date to about 3500 years ago. Later it was used for the country. Finding out about the past, there are several ways of finding out about the past. On is to search for and read books that were written long ago. These are called manuscript because they were written by hand. This came from the Latin words manu, meaning lands. These were usually written on palm leaf or on the especially prepared bark of a tree known as the birch, which grows in the Himalayas. Over that year, many manuscripts were eaten away by insects. Some were destroyed, but many have survived, often preserved in temple and monastery. These books dealt with all kinds of subjects, religious belief and practice, the lives of kings, medicine and science. Besides, there were epic poems. Many of these were written in Sanskrit, others were in Prakrit language used by ordinary people, and Tamil. We can also study inscription. These are written on relatively hard surface such as stone or metal. Sometimes king got their order inscribed so that people could see, read and obey them. There are other kinds of inscription as well, where men and women, including king and queen, recorded what they did. For example, king often kept record of victories and Vettel, can you think of the advantage of writing on a hard surface and what could have been the difficulties? There were many other things that were made and used in the past. Those how study these subjects are called archaeologists. They study the remains of buildings made of stone and bricks, painting and sculpture. They also explore and excavate under the surface of the earth to find tools, weapons, forts, fan, or named names and coins. Some of these objects may be made of stone, other of bone, wax, clay, or metal. Objects that are made of hard, imperishable substances usually survive for a long time. Left a platform on old city ports like these were used about 4,700 years ago. Right, and old silver coin, such as this one were in use from about 2,500 years ago. In what way is the coin different from the one we use today? Archaeologists also look for bones of animals, birds and fish to find out what people ate in the past. Plant remains survive far more rarely. If seeds of grain or piece of wood have been burnt, they survive in a carrot from. Do you think clothes is found frequently by archaeologists, historian that is of animal, birds and fish to find out what people ate in the past? Plant remains survive far more rarely. If seeds of grain or piece of wood have been burned, they survive in a carrot from. Do you think cloth is found frequently by archaeologist, historian that is a scholar who study the past often use the wood source to refer to the information found from manuscript, inscription and archaeology. On source are found. Learning about the past became an adventure as we reconstruct it bit by bit. So historians and archaeologists are like detectives who use all these sources like a cloud to find out about our past, one past or many. Did you notice the title of this book? Our past. We have used the word past in plural to draw attention to the facts that the past was different for different groups of people. For example, the life of herder or farmer were different from those of king and queen. The life of merchant were different from those of craft person, and so on. Also, as is true even today, people followed different practice and custom in different parts of the country. For example, today most people living in the Andaman Island get their own food by fishing, hunting and collecting forest drugs. By contrast, most people living in cities depend on other for supply of food. Difference such as these excited in the past as well. Besides, there is another kind of difference. We know a great deal about king and their battle they fought because they fought because they kept record of their victories. Generally, ordinary people such as hunter, fishing folk, gatherers, farmer or hunters did not keep records of what they did. Will archaeology help us to find out about their life? There is much that remain unknown. What do that mean? If somebody asks you that, you will probably mention the day, month, the year 2000 and something. These years are counted from the date generally assigned to the birth of Jesus Christ, the founder of Christianity. So 2000 meant 2000 years after the birth of Christ. All that before the birth of Christ are counted backward and usually have the letter BC before Christ added on. In this book we will refer to that going back from the present using 2000 as our starting points. Letter with dates BC we have seen as 10 for before cases. You will sometimes find at before dates this stand for two Latin words anno domini, meaning in the year of the Lord, etc. Christ. So 2012 can also be written as AD 2012. Sometime CE is used instead of AD and BCE instead of BC. The letter CE stands for Common Era and BCE for Before Common Era. We use these term because the Christian era is now used in most countries of the world. In India, we began using this form of dating from about 200 years ago, and sometimes the later VP meaning before presents are used. Find out date mentioned on page 3. Which set of letters would you use for them? Is where. We have seen that inscriptions are inscribed on hard surface. Many of these were inscribed several hundred of years ago. All inscriptions contain both script and language which were used, as well as script have changed over time. So how do a scholar understand what was inscribed? This can be done through a process known as decipherment. Decipherments. One of the most famous stories of decipherments come from Egypt, a country in North Africa where there were king and queen about 5,000 years ago. Rosetta is a town on the north coast of Egypt, and here an inscribed stone was found which contained inscription in the 3 different languages and script, Greek and 2 forms of Egyptian. A scholar who could read Greek figured out that the name of king and queen were enclosed in a title frame called a cartouche. They then placed the Greek and the Egyptian sign side by side and identify the sound for which the Egyptian letter stood. As you can see, a lion stood for L and a bird for A. Once they know what the letter stood for, they could read other inscriptions as well. Imagine you have to interview an archaeologist. Prepare a list of 5 questions that you would like to ask him. Match the following. नर्मदा वैली, फिर है नर्मदा वैली, मगध, कारो हिल्स, इंडस एंड इट्स ट्रिब्यूटरीज, गंगा वैली। तो ये इसको मिलान करना है। कीवर्ड ट्रेवलिंग, मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट, इंस्क्रिप्शन, आर्कियोलॉजी, हिस्टोरियन, सोर्स, decipherments. Let's discuss. Return to Rashida question. Can you think of some answers? यानी इसमें जो भी क्वेश्चन दिए गए हैं उस सारे क्वेश्चन का आपको आंसर देना है। तो जो मैंने पढ़ा उसको सुना, देखा, और क्वेश्चन को भी क्या है कि हम देख लेते हैं। फिर बोला एक लिस्ट ऑन मेजर डिफरेंट बिटवीन मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट एंड इंस्क्रिप्शन। तो इसको यहाँ पर देखना है और फिर आगे ये चैप्टर जो है लगभग समाप्त हो चुकी है। आज हम लोग इतना ही पर स्टॉप करेंगे। फिर नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम लोग देखेंगे चैप्टर 2।